Let us continue solid state in which radius ratio we will see. Now, radius ratio, that means radius of cation by radius of anion. Radius ratio means radius of cation by radius of anion. It is equal to 0.414 is equal to 0.414 we discussed. Radius ratio, radius of cation by radius of anion, it is equal to 0.414 for which case in the sense for octahedron we said. For octahedron. For octahedron in the sense here what is the assumption we considered? One assumption is neighboring anions are in a just contact or just in contact or just in contact. Then anions are in contact with cation. Like this we said. So we took octahedron. For octahedron, what is the condition we took? In the sense neighboring anions are in just contact. Neighboring anions are just in contact. Next point we said anions are in contact with cation. Anions are in contact with the cation. That we said for octahedron. Then so when the anions are just in contact, the radius ratio is 0.414. When gap increases between neighboring anions, when gap increases between neighboring anions, when gap increases between neighboring anions, what happens to the radius ratio? Radius ratio increases. Do you agree this? When gap increases between neighboring anions, radius ratio increases. This is possible when gap increases between neighboring anions, this is possible in which case? Gap increases between neighboring anions is increasing when? When shall we say? When shall we say gap increases between neighboring anions? When it is possible? When shall we say gap increases between neighboring anions? When shall we say? Sir. Now we will take octahedron. What is the octahedron here in the sense? Octahedron will take anions are same. Anions are same. Same anions in the sense shape is same. Shape of anion is same. Spherical, and the size of anion also same. Okay, size of anion also same. We will keep one anion like this. Second anion like this we will keep. Third anion we will consider like this. Fourth anion we are considering like this. Now anions are just in contact. One anion is up and one anion is below. Then we will take cation. Cation is here. Okay, cation is here. Cation is in contact with all the anions like this present. Now the question is, now we have taken the condition when gap increases between neighboring anions. When gap will be increased between neighboring anions? When gap increases between neighboring anions, it is a point. That means what should happen to the size of cation? If size of cation changes or not changes. If you take different cation or no. What do you say regarding size of cation? How the size of cation should be there? Size of cation should change or size of cation should remain same while gap between neighboring anions increases. With respect to cation, you say. With respect to cation. Okay. sir. So first we will take a octahedron. We will take, first we are taking octahedron. How the octahedron size is smaller? Okay, you are saying that cation size is smaller. You are saying, sir. Now we will think that now we will take octahedron. First we will take octahedron means first anions we will take. This is one anion. It is another anion. It is the third anion. It is the fourth anion. Fifth anion is up. Sixth anion is down. Like this is there. Now we will keep cation. Now we will keep cation. You are saying that size of cation decreases. If size of cation decreases, then if size of cation decreases, what will happen? That we'll see. If size of cation decreases, what will happen? So now we'll that anion is remaining same. Okay, anion is remaining same. So anion will write as it is. So we'll write anion as it is. We'll write. We are saying that size of cation decreases. Okay, size of cation decreased. Okay. Now see, size of cation here high, size of cation is low. Now ionic compound means ionic compound. How the ionic compound should be there? Anion should be in contact with the cation. Anion should be in contact with the cation. Then only stability will be there. Anion cation contact should be there. Then stability will be there. Anion contact we need not consider also. Anion contact we need not consider also, but anion cation contact must be there. Sir, anion contact must be there. It should be there. Sir, one is anion cation contact should be there. Next, anion contact means just in contact. Just in contact can be there. Next, anion electron cloud should not overlap with each other. Should not overlap. Anions electron cloud should not overlap because anions will repel each other. Anions electron cloud should not overlap with each other. Next, anion electron cloud between them empty gap also should not be present. Empty gap is present in the sense stability will not be there much. Anion empty gap also should not be present. So in the how the ionic compound should be there? Ionic compound means anion cation contact should be there. Anion just in contact should be there. Anion electron clouds should not overlap with each other. Anion electron clouds should not be left with the empty gap. Like this should be there. Ionic compound means. Now we have taken what you are considering means octahedron we are considering. If size of cation getting decreased, if size of cation getting decreased, what will happen? If size of cation getting decreased, what will happen? Anion will try to touch the cation or not? Anion will try to be in contact with the cation or not? So what will happen means anion try to be in contact with the cation. So anion try to be in contact with the cation. Anion try to be in contact with the cation. So for trying what they have to do? Sorry, now they are trying. Anion try to be in contact with the cation. Okay, what is the cation we know? Now we will write regarding anions. We will write. So it is one anion. Now cation we will write. Cation is smaller in size. That cation is smaller in size. That small cation we will write. Now anion try to be in contact with cation. No. So anion is coming for contact with the cation. Sorry. So another anion coming for contact with the cation. Another anion came for contact with the cation. Next anion coming for contact with the cation. Next anion came for contact. Next anion came for contact. Now see, when the size of cation becomes smaller, anions come much closer in order to be in contact with cation, while what happens between electron clouds of anion? They are going for overlapping or not? Between anion electron clouds overlapping possible or not? Between anions repulsion is possible or attraction is possible? What do you think? Since anion electron clouds are overlapping, system will be stabilized or destabilized, do you think? Now, what do you say regarding this? If size of cation decreases, what happens? Anions coming closer. In order to touch, in order to be in contact with cation, they are coming much closer. When they are coming closer and closer, their electron clouds are overlapping. Due to that, here in this system, repulsion is dominating or attraction is dominating, do you say? Which is dominating? Repulsion is dominating or attraction is dominating? What shall we say? What shall we say here? Repulsion dominates, shall we say, or attraction dominate? Okay, you are saying that attraction is dominating. Sir, now you say that between anions, repulsion is possible or attraction is possible. That you say. Between anions, what is possible? Do you say repulsion or attraction? Between anions, what is possible? First, we will talk about anions. Between anions, what is possible? Attraction or repulsion? Sir, between anions, repulsion is possible. Sir, when anions are just in contact, how the stability will be there? When anions are overlapping in the sense they are electron clouds, overlapping with each other, that means they are electron clouds. Anions, electron clouds. When anions, electron clouds are overlapping with each other, how the stability will be there? When anions are separated by some gap, how the stability will be there? In the ion compound, when anions are just in contact, how the stability will be there? When anions, electron clouds are overlapping with each other, how the stability will be there? When anions are separated by some gap, how the stability will be there? Among these, what do you say the order of stability? What is the order of stability, do you say? Now, you say the stability order among them. How the stability will be there, do you feel? Sir, now we will take a ionic compound. We are taking ionic compound. How the ionic compound will be there means, first suppose cation is there means, then next anion should be there. Next what will be there means cation will be there. Next anion. Next what means anion? Here cation. Here anion. Cation. Like this only arrangement is possible. In the whatever the ionic compound you see, like this only possibility will be there. Now you see this cation is surrounded by what you see? Anions. This cation is surrounded by what means anions are there. Cation is surrounded by anions. Even in FCC lattice also you see. What we will say? Coordination number. Coordination number of Na plus is 6 in NaCl FCC crystal. What is the meaning of that? Na plus nearest neighbors are 6 Cl minus ions. Coordination number of Na plus in NaCl crystal is 6. What does it mean? Nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors for Na plus is Cl minus. How many means 6? So Na plus will be surrounded by 6 Cl minus. Na plus ion, for Na plus ion, nearest neighbor is Cl minus. For Na plus ion, first nearest neighbor is Cl minus. Second nearest neighbor is this Na plus. This Na plus is second nearest neighbor for this Na plus. Therefore, okay. Therefore, now for this Cl minus, nearest neighbor is this Na plus. Sir. Now, we will talk anions are just in contact. That means this anion is in contact with this anion. Between these two anions, just contact will be there. That is first point. Overlapping with each other, second point. Overlapping means this electron cloud merging with this electron cloud. Generally, anion repulsion will be there. Between them, their electron clouds are merging with each other, overlapping with each other means how the repulsion will be there, you think it. Separated by some gap. If distance increases if the distance increases between Cl minus ions, what will happen? Some other ion will come and sit in that place, in that empty gap. If distance increases between Cl minus ions, what will happen? Some other ion will try to sit in this place. So what happens? Structure of crystal itself varies. So that how anion should be there? Anions just to be in contact should be there. If overlapping, repulsion is dominating. If separated by some gap, some other ion will come and sit. Some other ion will come and sit. So what shall we do? How the stability will be there? So what shall we do? That you think it. So now we will take anions. We will take. It is one anion. It is a second anion. It is a third anion. It is a fourth anion. Anions are just in contact. Anions are just in contact. Anions are just in contact. Okay. Now anions are merging with each other. Anions are merging with each other like this. Will take. Anions electron cloud are overlapping with each other. Anions merging with each other. Anions electron clouds are overlapping. Sorry. Now between anions empty gap is there. Between anions empty gap is there. Empty gap is present between anions. Empty gap present between anions. Empty gap present between anions. Okay. Now in all the cases, let us think size of anion remains same. Size of anion remains same. In all the cases, let us think size of anion remains same. Now we will take same size cation. Size of cation also will take same. Size of cation also will take same. In all the cases, we will keep same cation. We will keep. Okay. So we will keep same cation. We will keep in all the cases same cation. We will keep. Okay. We took size of cations same in all the cases. Size of anions same in all the cases. But wantedly we drew diagram like this. Anions, between anions gap. Anions just in contact. Here anions just in contact, and also anions are in contact with cation. Anions electron clouds are merging with each other. Now you say that which system is a stable system among these three? So among these three, which system is stable? Which system? Number 1, number 2, number 3. Which system is having higher stability? Which system possess higher stability, shall we say? Which system possesses higher stability shall we say? Will you say number 1 or number 2 or number 3? Which system possesses higher stability do you say? Sorry. Now, we will take ionic compound. Ionic compound consists of what? Cations and anions. Ionic compounds consist of cations and anions. How ionic compound is produced that we will see. Now we will take sodium. We have taken sodium, we have taken its electronic configuration is neon 3s1. Cl we will take its electronic configuration is neon 3s2 3p5. What happens means from sodium to chlorine, one electron transfer. One electron transfer from here to here. So sodium becomes Na plus, its configuration neon. Cl becomes Cl minus, its configuration becomes argon. Now, in the sodium chloride, crystal structure we'll see. We'll see crystal structure of a sodium chloride. How the crystal structure of sodium chloride will be there, that we'll see. Now, we took a crystal structure of sodium chloride. In the crystal structure of sodium chloride, we will write Cl minus ions in the corners. We will write Cl minus ions in the corners. We will write Cl minus ions in the corners, and Cl minus ions in the face centers. We will write Cl minus ions in the face centers. Then we will take Na plus ions. Na plus ions we will write in the body center, and in the edge centers Na plus ions we will write. Na plus ions we will write in the edge centers. So it is a crystal structure of what means NaCl. So Na plus ions we have written in the edge centers. Edge centers means octahedral void, body center means octahedral void here. It is the NaCl crystal. In this NaCl crystal, how it is there? See, now you take this Na plus. You take this Na plus. This Na plus is for this, what is the nearest neighbors you see? For this Na plus, which is the first nearest neighbor? For this Na plus, which is the first nearest neighbor? Cl minus. This is the Cl minus. This Cl minus. This Cl minus. Left side Cl minus. Top Cl minus. Down Cl minus. So for this black rounded Na plus, what is the first nearest neighbors? Mean in all the three directions Cl minus ions only is there. Why can't Na plus can be there? For Na plus, what is the first nearest neighbor in all the three directions? Means Cl minus. You see right side Cl minus, see left side Cl minus, see top Cl minus, see down Cl minus, see back Cl minus, see front Cl minus. So for this black mark Na plus, in all the three directions, first nearest neighbor is Cl minus. What does it indicate? That means Na plus attracts Cl minus. Na plus attracts Cl minus. So Na plus attracts Cl minus in the sense Na plus should be just in contact with Cl minus. Attraction means what? Just in contact. So Na plus is just in contact. So Na plus is just in contact means a stable system. But electron clouds should not overlap. They should not go for overlapping further. Otherwise, what will happen? Repulsion will start. So just in contact means stable. So Na plus is attracting Cl minus. So next, for this black mark Na plus, second nearest neighbor is Na plus. For this black mark Na plus, second nearest neighbor is Na plus, not first nearest neighbor. So for Na plus, first nearest neighbor is what means Cl minus. Therefore, why? Because Na plus is attracting Cl minus. So Na plus just in contact with Cl minus. Okay, so stable condition means Na plus just be in contact with Cl minus. Between Na plus and Cl minus, if gap is there, then stability is less. But if Na plus and Cl minus merging with each other, then also stability will be less. Because the repulsion starts. From where to where repulsion comes? Between electron clouds, repulsion takes place. Between nuclei, repulsion takes place. So, stable situation means how it should be there? Na plus just in contact with Cl minus. If gap is there between Na plus and Cl minus, stability is less. If Na plus and Cl minus electron clouds are merging, then also stability is less. Sir. So how Na plus and Cl minus should be there? That we got an idea. Sir. But Na plus and Cl minus how should be there? That idea we got it. Next. Na plus, no contact. No contact. That's why we can say Na plus ions are second nearest neighbors. Na plus ions no contact. Why? Because why do we say Na plus ions are not in contact? In the sense they both are having plus charges, therefore repulsion. So that no contact. Okay. When you are saying for this, why do you say for anions? Anions are just in contact. Then it is a stable situation. You are saying that is your question. Anions are just in contact. Anions are just in contact. You are saying anions are just in contact. They are also having same charge like cations. Why can't they repel each other? If gap is there, stability is more. That is only meaning, no. If gap is there between anions, then stability is more. That is the meaning, no. That is your question. In that way also you may think. Okay. So you may think in if Cl minus ions between Cl minus ions are anions. Anions are having same charge. If gap is there, stability will be high. Then why do you say they should be just in contact? Why do you say they should be just in contact? Okay, that is your question. Now you see that. Now we will take close packing. Okay, that means how we have to take in the sense ideal crystal will take. Ideal crystal. Ideal crystal is possible at 0 Kelvin. Ideal crystal possible at 0 Kelvin. And 100% pure. 100% pure. That means impurity should not be there. Ideal crystal means 0 Kelvin and 100% pure. Impurity should not be there. Sorry. Then we can say perfect arrangement. Sorry. So 100% pure means no impurity. 0 Kelvin means no temperature, so no kinetic energy. So perfect arrangement, that is called ideal crystal. Practically it is not possible, we know. Practically it is not possible. If you take gap between Cl minus ions, if we take gap between Cl minus ions, what will happen? If we take gap between Cl minus ions, some other species may come and sit in that gap. If gap is there between Cl minus ions, some other species will come and sit in this place. Then what will happen to the attraction between Cl minus and Na plus ion? Because some other species came, no? Since some other species came, what happened to the attraction between Cl minus and Na plus ion? Automatically getting reduced or not? So some other species should come or should not come? Some other species should not come. So why for ideal crystal what we are saying 100% pure, impurity should not be there, then only perfect arrangement. 100% purity should be there, then perfect arrangement. So how the Cl minus ions should be there, how the anions should be there, such that some other species coming and occupying in this crystal, that possibility can be reduced. If Cl minus, if gap between Cl minus ions are there, then automatically some other species may come and occupy that place. Of course, whites are there. Of course, whites are there. If Cl minus ions wantedly keeping some distance, maintaining some gap, then it is giving a way for a foreign body to come and occupy that gap. Therefore, how Cl minus ions will be present naturally, that you think. Cl minus ions will give chance for foreign body to occupy, or will not give chance for foreign body to occupy, you think it? Sorry, when for Cl minus ions you are saying like this, what about cations? Generally, cation size will be smaller than anions. It is general. Why can't it reverse? Reverse also possible. Cation size can be greater than anion. That is also possible. When cation size is greater than anion, what will happen? More number of anions being around cation. That's all. When cation size is greater, when cation size is greater, more number of anions being around cation. Okay. So now we are considering what means when cation size is greater. When cation size is greater than anions, what will happen? That we'll see. Now, size of cation is greater than size of anion. What will happen in this case? Cation is surrounded by more number of anions. Therefore, coordination number of cation is high. If size of cation is smaller than size of anion, if size of cation is smaller than size of anion, what will happen? Cation is surrounded by less number of anions. Therefore, coordination number of cation is less. That is a fact. No? So, if based on size, it will vary. Anyhow, cation will be surrounded by anion. Cation will be surrounded by anions only. Now we have seen in FCC, we will see crystal structures. We will see Now we will take BCC, body centered cubic. We will take body centered cubic means what will happen? Corners will be one possibility. Corners will be Cl minus ions. Body center will be cesium ion. Okay. So 8 corners will be there. In 8 corners, Cl minus ions will be there. That due to 8 corners, body center is created. In that body center, cesium ion is present. It is body centered cubic. Now you take FCC, you take, otherwise HCP you take. In both cases, tetrahedral void and octahedral void is possible. Tetrahedral void means what you have to do? You have to keep 3 spheres in one layer. We have to keep. We are keeping 3 spheres in one layer, and one sphere in second layer. One sphere in second layer we are keeping. Between this first layer and second layer, here tetrahedral void is there. In that tetrahedral void, cation will be there. Now surrounding spheres are what? Anions. These are anions. Inside, between these two layers, void is there. That is tetrahedral void. In the tetrahedral void, cation will be present. In the same way, we will discuss octahedron. Octahedron means we will take one layer, 3 spheres. In one layer, we will take 3 spheres. In another layer, we will take 3 spheres. One, second, third. These are anions. Anions are forming octahedron. In the octahedral void, what is there? Cation is there. So, based on the size, it will vary, isn't it? Sorry, okay. So, how it is present, that we came to know it. Sorry. Sorry. Now we will see that we will see this ionic compound. We will see. Sorry, we took this ionic compound. Regarding this ionic compound, now we will say. Now you say that here we will consider size of anion is same, size of cation also same. Wantedly we arrange it like this. Here gap we left between anions. Here how it is there means anions are just in contact. Anions also in contact with cation. Here anions electron clouds merging with each other, and even anion electron cloud merging with cation. So if you take like this, wantedly like this, how the stability will be there? Which will have higher stability, do you say? Which system possesses highest stability among these three? Among these three, which system possesses highest stability, do you think? Sir. Now we will consider first atoms combine to give molecule. That we will consider. One hydrogen atom combining with another hydrogen atom to give hydrogen molecule. For this hydrogen atom, nucleus will be there and a electron cloud will be there. It is a electron cloud. For this hydrogen atom, it is a nucleus and it is a electron cloud. Now between these two nuclei, repulsion is possible. Between